What's going on, dividend chasers? It's the Dividend Bloodhound here, back with another investing episode. Today's episode we're talking about Tattooed Chef stock and my upcoming expectations for its Q3 financial report. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then do please stick around after the intro. And if you find this video valuable, then do please smash that like button. It's super important for me and the YouTube algorithm. And consider subscribing to my channel as well. That would be absolutely awesome. Catch you on the flip side of the intro. Hey again guys, welcome into the video. Tattooed Chef is expected to report its Q3 financial result on the 9th of November 2020 after the market closes. And then there will be a conference call to answer some questions, and for investors to dial in on, I will post a section in the comments below so you could dial into that if you're a Tattooed Chef investor. The conference call will be at 13:30 Pacific time. The share price is currently languishing at $16.64 at the time of recording, which is an absolute bargain in my opinion. The results for Q3 are expected to be good. They've been preliminary announced as 41 million for the dollars, that is, for the quarter up to the 30th of September. This is up 71% on the same time period this time last year, which is an absolute phenomenal amount of growth the company is going through at the moment. Full year revenue of $148 million has widely been slated to be achieved and in fact surpassed even by the CEO Sarah Galetti, should I say. And EBITDA has been revised upwards to $17 million. That is pure crisp profit, and that is really good for such an early starting company, having only recently de-SPAC'd itself as well. CEO Sarah Galetti has gone on record to say that she expects the share price to rise 50% before the end of the year, and in my opinion that is quite achievable once the election jitters have subsided. Hopefully that happens relatively quickly so we know who's going to be in the White House or not. And then also the shorters have gone off and they've moved on to a new target. It is extremely important to remember that though Tattooed Chef launched its online service very recently, on the 26th of October in fact, none of the revenue generated from that will be included in this quarter. That is going to be noted down and recorded in Q4 and then subsequently reported, unless Tattooed Chef actually go live with some of the data that they've had, saying that, and do a press release saying exactly how they did in the first 24 hours or week or month of online sales, which is perfectly possible. We won't actually feel the impact of online sales opening until Q4 and then subsequent Q1, 2, 3 and 4, etc. for 2021. And that is really worth keeping an eye on, because being able to buy direct from source cuts out the middleman. And I know they've announced deals that they've got into Costco now, they're in Walmart's, they're in Targets, right the way across the United States, but being able to buy from source is massively important as well. So I would keep an eye on revenue beats quarter on quarter. That is my humble opinion, but it's sort of quite obvious that they are on a very high upward trajectory. Many Tattooed Chef investors are actually customers as well. In the Tattooed Chef shareholders Facebook group, that was a little bit of a mouthful, there's been so many photos of people going out and buying every single one of their products just to try it, almost like a try before you buy. They're holders of the company's stock because they know that meat free has got a very high value future, but they also want to try the product as well. I can't get hold of anything over here in the UK, and that does annoy me, even though it was noted on Tattooed Chef's Instagram and Facebook when the question was asked. They do want to expand to Europe one day, which is a really good thing and a really good sign. I can't actually get hold of it and support the company that way at the moment. What I can do is make hopefully a fantastic YouTube video like this, alerting people and alerting to investors just to the high potential that this company has got. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's investing episode. If you could see your way to punching through that like button, that'd be absolutely fantastic. or subscribing to my channel as well, or both obviously, that'd be awesome. It's been a pleasure to make this investing episode, and I really do hope that I can see you in the next one. See you there.